Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel that is AMS MBBS lectures. In today's session, we are going to continue the viral infections under CVS microbiology and a short topic to be discussed, that is viral hemorrhagic fever, guys. Okay? So what do you mean by viral hemorrhagic fever? Viral hemorrhagic fever का मतलब होता है, means simple, a fever that is taking place because of viral infection and there is some sort of vascular damage resulting into bleeding, that is hemorrhage over here. Clear? So that is the definition. That is VHF are nothing but they are defined as a group of illnesses caused by different families of viruses. ठीक है, viral infection है, that will result into vascular damage. Okay, that will result into vascular damage that results in symptomatic bleeding, that is hemorrhage. This is what is called as viral hemorrhagic fever, guys. Okay, now which viruses? So there are three distinct group of viruses that are involved into it, that is arbovirus, filovirus and your roboviruses, guys. Okay, now under arboviruses, guys, we have five important families. Okay, we have five important families of viruses that are a part of the group arbovirus, guys. Okay, that is togaviridae, flaviviridae, bunyaviridae, reoviridae and rhabdoviridae. The second group that is over here, that is filoviruses, which includes your Ebola virus, Marburg virus, and your recent discovery, that is Cuba virus. Okay, and last, that is robovirus, means your rodent-borne viruses, and it includes hantavirus and arena viruses into it, guys. Okay, I hope the definition is clear and the three distinct group of viruses involved are also clear. Now let's have a look on arboviruses. Now these arboviruses, arbo, okay, AR, okay, stands for your arthropod. Okay, it stands for arthropod. BO stands for born and virus. वायरस तो वायरस ही होगा. सो आर्थ्रोपोड बोर्न वायरसेस होते हैं. ठीक है, इनके जो वेक्टर्स होते हैं, दोज आर ऑल इंसेक्ट वेक्टर्स लाइक मस्कीटोज, सैंड फ्लाइज एंड टिक्स हो गए. All the arboviruses that we're going to discuss, the five distinct, okay, arbovirus, ये group के अंदर we all are having five important families of viruses. ठीक है, five families आती है and all these, okay, are your RNA viruses. सब के सब क्या है, RNA viruses है. ठीक है, so those five families includes the family togaviridae. ठीक है, देखो अब सारे examples यहाँ पे याद रखना important नहीं है. ठीक है, under the family togaviridae, the topic that you have to remember is the chikungunya virus. ठीक है, उसके अलावा और भी बहुत सारे examples इस category में. Similarly, under family flaviviridae, the important one that we're going to discuss in detail is the dengue virus and the Casanur forest disease virus, guys. ठीक है, next family, that is your bunyaviridae. Under bunyaviridae, guys, ठीक है, these are the examples. Okay, under the family reoviridae also we have Colorado tick fever and we have your family rhabdoviridae, which is having vesicular stomatitis virus, Chandipura virus, guys. ठीक है, देखो सारे examples family के अंदर याद रखना is not important because सब virus हम detail में नहीं पढ़ते. Under arboviruses, okay, we have to only cover these three important topics, that is dengue, chikungunya and Casanur forest disease. And उसमें से भी जो dengue होता है and your Casanur forest disease, these are belonging to the family flaviviridae को belong करते हैं and chikungunya is the one that is belonging to the family togaviridae, guys. ठीक है, now जो दूसरे है, that is your Ebola and Marburg, मतलब filovirus infections, and hanta and arena virus are your rodent borne infections. ठीक है, तो इस सेशन में मुझे सिर्फ आप लोगों को वायरल हेमरेजिक फीवर का डेफिनेशन बताना था and which all group of viruses are included. That is what I have to let you all know. Now one thing you have to remember over here is, guys, for exam point of view, dengue is very very important, guys. ठीक है, yes, to study dengue is very very important. Okay, followed by dengue you can also have an emphasis on Ebola infection, guys. ठीक है, Ebola भी बहुत important होता है. Second important category में आते हैं chikungunya and your Casanur forest disease. From your exam point of view, these are the important topics that you should be knowing. Understood with what is VHF? In the upcoming session I will be discussing all the topics, okay, that is dengue, chikungunya, KFD, your Ebola, hanta and arena virus. See, hanta and arena virus is not a very important topic. Okay, this thing is like not a very important topic and बहुत ज़्यादा details भी नहीं है. It's a short topic, so I will make a video separately on that thing as well. Okay, so that is it for this session, guys. If you found this content useful, then do like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions or queries, then do comment down. ठीक है, see you on the next one. Bye bye.